Hi, this is from Vijayakumar. This is another one new topic I am taken from the environmental science, the unit 2 biodiversity. This is the value of biodiversity. So the value of biodiversity is in two types. One is in a consumptive use values, then another one is in a productive use values. Consumptive use values, productive use values, social values, ethical and moral values, then aesthetic values, then opinions values. This all to the form of ecosystem service values. So the values is differ to the form of different categories in a biodiversity. So the consumptive use values, that means the consumer used species, that is called as a consumptive use values. The direct use of the species in a human being or the living organism, it's called as a consumptive use values. The biodiversity product are harvested and consumed directly from in a living organisms. The second one is a productive use values. The productive use values, definitely that species will be have productive and it's formed in the new types of form. It's a most of its commercial value. Commercial is an indirect values, and product are marked and sold. These are derived from animals and plants. For examples, the silk material, the silk from silkworm and wool from ships. This is all to the example of that. Then the other special values we discuss in the next slide onwards. That is, first one is in a social values. So this value associated with social life, region and spiritual aspect of the peoples. So we have protect the cow and dogs, some peacocks, some rare plants of species. So this all is in a social values. Then ethical values. All life must be preserved, so we not disturbed in other lives. That is a ethical value of in a biodiversity. So the great value of religions and cultural basics, the values are attached to each species. For example, Ganga, rivers, holy plants, kangaroo and zebra, giraffe, this is example. Then aesthetic value biodiversity is only for beauty nature of values. That means the beautiful nature of plants and animals, insects used to protect biodiversities. So this all the picture is clearly example to be given from this types of category. The next value is an option values. So the option value is based on the potential of biodiversity is presently unknown and need to be known and may be proved to the valuable after some days. So the rare species we have protected and to be used to farm in the futures. So this is all the reference I am prepared from this PPT. Right, this all is in a rare species. So I am taken from this the picture to be given the very good example of option values. Then this all is a other biodiversity to the farm in the nature wise. So thank you very much. We discuss in another one topic for environmental science in a unit 2 biodiversity in next topics. Thank you very much.